Hello everyone, welcome this question GATE 2019 statistics. Today we will see how you can solve such kind of the questions which is of the 1 marks, and question is if you have some probability density function of the random variable is given here, you have to find this expected value. E is called as the expected value. How you can solve that we will see in this 1 minute task. So firstly identify that is there any distribution is there. Yes, this is nothing but my exponential distribution. So you can compare the exponential distribution with the PDF. You will get lambda as 1 by k. So what is, and since we need the expected value, so what is the expected value of the exponential distribution is 1 by lambda. So therefore, based on this logic, what is the expected value of this xk? That is a 1 by lambda, and here lambda is nothing but my k, 1 by k. So this expected value of the xk is nothing but my here. Now you can try to solve from here. Summation I can take it as the outside. K is my constant which is also taken as the outside. This is x of k. You can substitute this value here. This is k into k square, that is of the k square. How you can find these value are there? All of you know that. How you can write this value I square, I from 1 to n, that is this value. How you can write that up to the n square? The formula is n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6. So you can substitute the value here. So what is n is my case is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, and 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 6. So 3, 2 is 6, 3 is 7, 2, 5. So that's a 35 into 11, 385 is the right answer of this. So you can see within a fraction of a second you can easily solve this. Make sure that you have to identify your distribution. So once you are identified that distribution is here, since we need the expected value, compare with the expected value and try to solve this simple manner. We will see some another lectures on the GATE 2019 statistics. These questions we will cover in these sessions. Till then you can simply share this video with your friend. Best of luck students. Happy learning.